Oof. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, crap. Hey guys, how's it going? So today I got FasTrak, my FasTrak machine, and I want to show you guys how to install it. Simple and easy. So all you're gonna need is a drill, a torch. You guys can't see that, but yeah, you need a torch and some wire connectors, terminal sets. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, again, I did forget to mention, you're gonna need something like this plastic pry tool to remove panels off. Anyways, you're gonna need to take this off to install your FasTrak little box. Let's put it in there, right? You just kind of jam it out. There you go, simple and easy like that. Put it to the side, I'll put it over here. Once you've done that, then you're gonna need to remove the other panel here, right? There you go. Move that to the side. Perfect. Then you're gonna need to get into this door here, right? You're gonna have to pop this panel out. We'll pop both panels out actually. This panel up top on the door, the hood. Sorry, the top of the door thing, because you're gonna run some cables there. Then you're gonna take this off. Start at the driver's side going backwards. All right, so after that's been removed, we gotta go and remove this side here. Just gotta use some, and anyways, you kind of see that we got some dirt there. You want to remove that dirt before you install the FasTrak thing. All right, let's put it over here. Okay, you want to remove this panel as well because that panel in the center was now removed. So you just kind of like lift it up, grab it, and yep. I think just pull it off. I can't see what I'm doing, but hopefully you guys can. So we're gonna have to remove this guy there, right? Just plop it off, throw it in the back seat. All right, so you're gonna have to use this, pry it. There you go. You're gonna have to, my best suggestion is go at it from the back, easiest way, and just pull. Then these two clips get pushed out or forced out. So the reason why we want to get here is because all the cables that we need to connect to are there, right? So now that all this is exposed, then you go and get your FasTrak meter or your little monitor module. And I'll show you guys what to do next. Now we're near the end, right? Everything has been exposed. So now it's just time to install this and run the wires, right? So, damn, you know what? I didn't even get to see. Let me see where FasTrak wants you to install it. So all the wires are exposed. Now we get the pamphlet to see where FasTrak recommends us place the little module or box. And they want us to do it either center, right here, left side driver, which is kind of pointless for me. So the easiest way for you, I would say, is right underneath the rear view mirror. So I'm gonna show you, zoom in and show you the install. Let's go here, right? Maybe you guys can see a little bit better. All right, perfectly there. Perfect. It's hot, guys. It's hot. So you're gonna remove these two tabs here, right? One. And oof, I'm hot. I'm sweating, man. There, perfect. Now you want the F facing up, right? Because the wires are gonna be coming out through there. All right, and then just place it right there. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Perfect. Lovely. And you know, whenever you guys need to switch, you go from, you know, top to bottom. The top being first, two people being the middle, and the third, you know, being all the way at the bottom of the switch thing. So yeah, and then you just put everything back. If you guys like the install, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or any trouble removing the panels to install the FasTrak. All right, guys? See ya. Have a good one. Thank you guys for the 200 subscribers. And also, happy birthday to the channel. This is a second year with the channel running. I love doing videos. It's fun. Keeps my mind occupied. and can't wait to talk to you guys again later. See ya, man.